How to replace the horizontal cutter in the HP DesignJet Z6 and Z9 Plus printer series. On the display panel, navigate to the Paper menu, then Output Options, and select the Replace option next to the horizontal cutter option. When prompted, press the power button to turn off the printer. Disconnect power cable from the printer. Locate the left lateral cover. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screw and open the cover. With the same screwdriver, remove the screw found in the rack stopper, blue part, and disassemble it. Remove the cutter module using the ring. Remove the module from its packaging and confirm that the spring can be pressed inwards. Install the new cutter module using the rails as a guide. Replace the rack stopper, blue part, with the screw removed previously. Reattach the lateral cover using the alignment clips. To finish the process, screw in the lateral cover screw.